All right, let's begin with the breaking news that's come in. There's a big relief for Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister. The High Court has dismissed CBI's plea against DK Shivakumar. The CBI had opposed the Karnataka government's order. The Karnataka government, remember, had withdrawn the CBI's sanction. The CBI has been probing illegal assets case against DK Shivakumar. Now that big relief coming in for the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, with the High Court bringing in that relief and dismissing the CBI's plea. Let me go across to my colleague Neha for more details on this. Neha, big relief for DK Shivakumar. What all transpired in the court today?
Well, yes, that's right, Shreya. Of course, we're seeing it's quite a big relief here now for the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. D. Shivakumar, as the Karnataka High Court there has upheld the government's decision now to withdraw the sanction that was given to CBI to probe the disproportionate assets case against him. Remember, of course, we saw quite a bit of back and forth there between the state and centre, even as, of course, the hearing has been pending now for quite some time. The case, of course, was in fact handed over to the Lokayukta by the Karnataka government, withdrawing the sanction that the CBI had to probe this matter. While the CBI had, of course, challenged that sanction withdrawal there, the Karnataka High Court today has, of course, made it quite clear that the CBI may, in fact, approach the Supreme Court. Now, the petitioners, in fact, I beg your pardon, in this case, may approach the Supreme Court here. This, of course, quite crucial now, given the fact that we recently saw DK Shivakumar attending, in fact, of course, in person, summoned there by the local office as well. We'll, of course, really have to wait and see now if at all the Supreme Court now, of course, is moved over here by the petitioners in concern, and whether at all that case would then come up in the court again or not.
All right, Neha, thank you very much for joining us at the moment and sharing with us all those details. Viewers, let's shift our focus